Welcome everyone! Here is how to use this black bar on the top of your iPhone Air. So this black bar is called Dynamic Island. How it works is this. So I'm going to open up the clock app for example, but there's many apps that support this. And then I'm going to start a timer. So with the older iPhones, if you wanted to view the progress of your timer or view progress in other applications, then you would have to open up the app itself and then I can see the timer progress. However, if an app supports the dynamic island feature, if you end up leaving that app in question, you can see it will allow the progress to continue in the background. So this is the timer here and it shows me how much time is remaining, and this is automatically updating. Now if you tap on the dynamic island once, it will open up that app which is showing the live progress. You can also long press to view more information, and you can tap these buttons for more options as well. Up to 2 applications can show inside the dynamic islands. If that's the case, they'll be very clearly differentiated, and you can do the same tap and long press as usual. Now, if you want to hide whatever is in this dynamic island, then just swipe from either left to right or right to left like this. That will hide the content from dynamic island, and you can swipe it back out to reveal it again. So that is the black bar. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. And if you did not find this video useful, if there's any questions, any concerns, just let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.